Weak airflow from your American Standard AC vents indicates a problem hindering proper air circulation. This could stem from issues within the unit itself, the ductwork, or even simple maintenance oversights. Addressing this promptly is crucial to avoid reduced cooling efficiency, increased energy bills, and potential damage to your AC system. First, we'll cover some basic checks. A dirty or clogged air filter is the most common cause of weak airflow in American Standard AC systems. To check your filter, locate it in the indoor unit or a wall or ceiling vent. Remove the filter and inspect it for dirt or clogs. If the filter appears dirty, replace it with a new one of the correct size and MERV rating. Aim to replace the filter every 1 to 3 months, depending on usage and environmental factors. Ensure the filter is installed correctly, with the arrow indicating the direction of airflow. Air vents and registers can become obstructed over time, reducing airflow in your AC system. Start by ensuring all supply and return air vents are fully open and unobstructed. Dust and debris can build up in the vents and registers, significantly restricting the airflow and reducing your system's efficiency. To clean the vents, use a vacuum cleaner equipped with a brush attachment. This allows you to thoroughly remove dust and debris from each vent without damaging the components. Inspect around each vent to ensure furniture, rugs, or curtains are not blocking the airflow. Even partial obstructions can reduce cooling efficiency. Maintaining free airflow from each vent is essential for your AC system to operate efficiently and provide optimal cooling throughout your home. Check the outdoor condenser unit for obstructions. Overgrown plants and debris like leaves or grass clippings can block airflow and reduce cooling capacity. Clear any obstructions around the unit, ensuring at least 2 to 3 feet of clearance on all sides. Gently straighten any bent fins using a fin comb tool, available at most hardware stores. A clean and well-ventilated condenser unit is critical for optimal AC performance. Ductwork leaks and damage can significantly reduce airflow and cooling efficiency. Visually inspect accessible ductwork in your attic, crawl space, or basement for any obvious tears, holes, or disconnections. Seal any leaks with aluminum foil tape, not duct tape, which degrades over time. For hard-to-reach or extensive ductwork issues, consider hiring a professional HVAC technician for duct sealing or replacement. If you notice weak airflow and the air conditioner isn't cooling effectively, the evaporator coil inside the indoor unit might be frozen. This commonly happens due to restricted airflow or low refrigerant levels. Common causes include blocked air filters that restrict airflow or insufficient refrigerant in the system. To fix frozen ice buildup, first turn off the air conditioner. Then, set the fan to on to circulate air and help melt the ice naturally. Important warning: never continue running the air conditioner with a frozen evaporator coil, as this can severely damage the compressor. Once the ice melts, fix the underlying issue by replacing the air filter or consulting a technician for refrigerant problems. A failing blower motor or weak capacitor can also cause weak airflow in your American Standard AC system. The blower motor circulates conditioned air through your home's ductwork, while the capacitor provides the electrical starting torque needed for the motor to run properly. Signs of problems include unusual noises coming from the indoor unit, such as humming or clicking sounds, or if the blower motor isn't running at the correct speed. These indicate potential issues with the motor or capacitor. These electrical and mechanical issues often require professional diagnosis and repair. Do not attempt to repair these components yourself unless you have experience with HVAC systems, as improper handling can cause further damage or safety hazards. If you've tried the above steps and are still experiencing weak airflow, it's time to call a qualified HVAC technician. Refrigerant leaks, compressor issues, and complex ductwork problems require specialized equipment and expertise. A professional can accurately diagnose the problem and perform the necessary repairs to restore proper airflow and cooling efficiency to your American Standard AC system. Regular maintenance by a professional can also prevent future issues.